Welcome to SAFA Chemical Nepal. Today, we take you inside a chemical plant to explore the core equipment and workflow used in manufacturing products like detergent, cleaners, and soap. Every chemical plant begins with a raw material storage. Here, we keep surfactants like SLES, acid compounds, alkalis, preservatives, and fragrance, each stored safely with proper labeling. From storage, raw materials are sent to the weighing and charging station. Accurate measurement is key, whether it's 1 kg of acid thickener or 100 gram of fragrance. The formulation depends upon precision. Next one. The heart of the plant is the mixing unit, often a stainless steel reactor or blender. We add ingredients batch wise and mix them at controlled speed to ensure uniform blending. Mixing time is around 30 to 60 minutes depending upon the product. Heating and cooling system. Some products like soap or emulsion needs controlled temperature. For this, we use a heating jacket or electric immersion heater to melt and activate ingredients. Before filling, we test the batch, pH level, viscosity, TDS, if water quantity matters, forming capacity. This ensures the final product meets performance and safety standard. Next is filling. Depending on the volume, we use manual pumps, gravity fillers, or semi-automatic machine. Once filled, bottles are labeled, batch coded, and packaged in box. This is where branding meets manufacturing, your customer's first impression. This is the complete workflow of a small scale chemical manufacturing plant, simple, efficient, and scalable, just like SAFA Chemicals. At SAFA Chemicals Nepal, we combine science, precision, and care to deliver trusted cleaning solution across Nepal. So contact us and follow us for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.